Hey guys, today we have a fun pop-up toy. That's Sophia the First. Whoa, there's Donald. Here's Chase. There's Pluto. Now we have Marshall. It's little Mickey. Here's Sky. And it's Goofy. We have Doc McStuffins. And Minnie Mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orange heart. Purple. Green. Blue. Yellow star. Bye Donald. Bye Pluto. Bye Mickey. Bye Goofy. Bye Minnie. Now let's see if we can get some surprises. Wow, look at all these toy surprises. Here's a Disney vinyl figure. This is Princess Ariel. A Paw Patrol mashup. This is Sky. We have a funny face orange egg. Ryder was inside. It's a figural clip-on from Secret Life of Pets. This is Max. It's a Disney figural keyring. We got Dory. Now let's pop these off. Bye, Ariel. See you, Sky. Bye, Ryder. Later, Max. Bye, Dory. This is Marshall, and he's red. This is Rocky, and he's green. This is Rubble. He's yellow. This is Chase. He's blue. Red. Blue. Yellow. Green. Blue ball. Green ball. Red ball. Yellow ball. Red ball. Green ball. Blue ball. Yellow ball. Red house. Yellow house. Green house. Blue house. Which house does this one go into? This one, red. Which house does this go into? This one, yellow. Which house does this one go into? This one, green. And which house does this one go into? This one, the blue house. Which house does this one go into? Over here, the blue. And which house does this one go in? It's this one, the yellow. And where does this one go? In this one, the green. Which house does this belong? That one, the red. Which house does this go into? The green. Which house does this belong in? It's the blue house. And where does this belong? In the red house. 1, 2, 2 red balls. 1 yellow ball. 1, 2, 2 green balls. 1, 2, 2 blue balls. Red. Green. Blue. Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Hey guys, today we're learning our letters with our Elmo on-the-go letters and our Paw Patrol Merpup.
Yeah!
Let's get started. A is for Abby. B is for Bert. C is for Cookie Monster or Catboy. D is for Drum. E is for Ernie. F is for football. G is for Grover. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for Murray. N is for nest. O is for Oscar. P is for pumpkin. Q is for queen. R is for Rosita. S is for Snuffleupagus. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for wagon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for Zoe. Wow, I love learning my letters. Could we spell my name right here? Sure, Sky. We'll spell your name. Your name starts with an S. Here's our S. S, Next is a K. Here's our K. S-K. Now a Y. Here's the Y. S-K-Y. One more letter. E. S-K-Y-E. That spells sky. Yay! I love spelling my name. Next, we'll spell Zuma's name. Zuma's name starts with a Z. Here's our Z. Then we have a U. Z-U. What comes next? M. Z-U-M. One more letter. A. Z-U-M-A spells Zuma. Yay, I have such a cool name. Now we'll spell Rocky's name. Ready? Rocky's name starts with an R. What comes next? O. R-O. And then we have a C. R-O-C. Next is the K. R-O-C-K. And last is a Y. Rocky's name is a little long, so we'll set the Y right there. That spells Rocky. Sorry about that, my name's kind of long. Well guys, that's it for this video. Do you remember which one of our merpups spelled their name first? If you do, let me know in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more merpups and our Elmo on the Go letters, please like and subscribe. And until next time, bye!